Arrive in style with this 2014 Ford F-250. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, 6.7-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 98.0, clock, in radio display, engine hour meter and external temperature display. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.